Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Scotch-Brite pads are probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any household, tackling everything from stubborn baked-on food to everyday grime with remarkable efficiency, making them a true workhorse for kitchen and beyond, ensuring your surfaces sparkle and shine with minimal effort. Number 5. Scotch-Brite Non-Scratch Dishwand Refill. Introducing America's #1 selling dishwand refills. This pack contains 14 durable sponge refills designed for your cleaning needs. Experience powerful cleaning without the worry of scratches. These sponges tackle everyday messes, keeping your hands clean and your surfaces protected. Effortlessly remove grease, grime, and dirt from even the messiest surfaces. They leave your cookware and household items shining like new. These versatile scrubbing pads are safe for a variety of surfaces. Use them on non-stick cookware, countertops, showers, and more without concern. Clean your home responsibly. Our scrubbing fibers are made from 100% recycled content, offering effective cleaning while being kind to the environment. Keeping your dishwand clean is simple. Just place the head on the top rack of your dishwasher for an easy and thorough clean. What we like? This product offers powerful, non-scratch cleaning for everyday messes. It's safe for most surfaces, including non-stick cookware. If you have a Scotch-Brite dishwand and are looking for convenient refills that keep your hands clean, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The non-scratch scrubbing surface is a game changer. I can confidently use it on a wide range of dishes, including delicate glassware, without worrying about any damage. The gentle but effective scrubbing power easily removes stubborn stains and food residue, leaving my dishes spotless and looking brand new. It doesn't leak soap, it doesn't apply too much and waste soap. The pad does a great job on stuff that is stuck. The sponges tend to last a while, but I do recommend that you wash them off and remove some of the buildup, pending what you washed, from the scrub side before storing it away. Number 4. Scotch-Brite Heavy Duty Scouring Pad. Introducing the Heavy Duty Scouring Pad, designed to tackle your toughest cleaning challenges. It's perfect for scrubbing stuck-on messes without damaging your surfaces. This powerful cleaning tool isn't just for the kitchen. Use it on oven racks, concrete, tools, and many other surfaces around your home for a deep clean. Feel good about cleaning with our scrubbing fibers, which are made from 100% recycled content. It's a choice that's good for your home and the planet. Keeping your cleaning tools fresh is simple. Just place these scrubbing pads on the top rack of your dishwasher to sanitize them. Enjoy a hygienic clean every time. These pads can be sanitized in the dishwasher up to 20 times, ensuring they're ready for your next cleaning task. Trust in a brand that's been a leader in cleaning innovation for over 65 years. We are committed to quality and your satisfaction. What we like? This option provides heavy-duty cleaning power for the toughest, stuck-on messes. It's ideal for uncoated cookware, cast iron, grill grates, and oven racks. If you're tackling challenging cleaning jobs in the kitchen or outdoors and need a robust scrubber, this is the one for you. What people say. These scouring pads effortlessly scrub away all dirt and grime without scratching or damaging the surface. The heavy-duty material is durable and long-lasting, making them a cost-effective option for everyday cleaning tasks. The abrasive texture is incredibly effective without falling apart or shedding during use. It's tough enough to handle heavy-duty cleaning, yet when used with care, it won't damage durable surfaces like stainless steel or cast iron. Number 3. Scotch-Brite Dobie Cleaning Pads, 12-pack. Introducing Scotch-Brite Dobie Cleaning Pads, the ultimate tool for tackling messes in your kitchen, bathroom, and throughout your home. This pack contains 12 versatile cleaning pads. Join the millions who trust America's #1 selling scrub sponge brand. Each package provides you with 12 of our effective Dobie cleaning pads. These non-scratch sponges are designed to cut through tough grease, grime, and dirt. They leave even the messiest surfaces sparkling like new. A must-have for any kitchen, these scrub pads are safe for your cookware. They won't remove protective coatings, ensuring your pans last longer. Our all-purpose cleaning pads are safe for a variety of surfaces. Use them on non-stick cookware, countertops, showers, and more throughout your household. Keeping them fresh is simple. Just place these scouring pads on the top rack of your dishwasher for an easy clean. What we like? This product is a versatile all-purpose cleaner that won't scratch surfaces. It's a kitchen staple, safe for non-stick cookware and many other household surfaces. If you need a reliable, gentle cleaner for a variety of tasks around your home, this is an excellent option. What people say. The little hard plastic seams on both ends also work really well for little crevices. I'm not sure if this was by design or as a result of manufacturing, but it's a nice little extra tool that's already in your hand. These are a fantastic alternative to the harsh green scrubber pads. The Dobies are truly non-scratch, but they're so effective. They do not retain odors like a typical sponge, and the covering will not scratch non-stick surfaces. Number 2. Scotch-Brite Zero Scratch Scour Pad. Introducing the Scotch-Brite Zero Scratch Scour Pad. This pack contains 3 powerful yet gentle scouring pads designed to make your cleaning tasks easier. These pads are designed to effectively tackle grease, grime, and dirt, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean without causing any damage. You can safely scrub away any mess without worrying about leaving scratches on your dishes. Enjoy powerful cleaning performance every day. These non-scratch scourers are ideal for a variety of surfaces including non-stick pots and pans, countertops, dishes, glass, tubs, and showers. Made from long-lasting materials, these scouring pads are both flexible and durable, ensuring they can handle your toughest cleaning jobs. What we like. This offers effective yet gentle cleaning power without scratching. It's safe for a wide range of surfaces, including non-stick pots and pans. If you prioritize protecting your delicate cookware and surfaces while still achieving a great clean, this is your go-to. What people say. These cleaning pads work really well for scrubbing pots, pans, and tough kitchen messes. They're sturdy and hold up through multiple uses without falling apart or losing shape. I like that they remove grease and stuck-on food easily, saving me time and effort. Number 1. 3M Scotch-Brite Red Scuff Hand Pads, 5-pack. Discover a versatile hand pad, perfect for a wide range of cleaning and finishing tasks. It's designed to be a great alternative to traditional non-woven products. This pad is suitable for use on various materials including wood, paints, metal, plastics, and even delicate surfaces like ceramics and glass. Its adaptability makes it a go-to solution. You can rely on its durability. This reusable pad resists tearing and splintering, and it will never rust, ensuring a long and useful life for all your projects. Featuring a very fine-grade aluminum oxide abrasive, it effectively cleans, finishes, grains, denibs, and defuzzes surfaces. Achieve a smooth finish with ease. This convenient listing provides you with a pack of 5 Scuff pads. Get multiple pads for all your needs, ensuring you always have one on hand. What we like. This pad features a very fine-grade abrasive for cleaning and finishing tasks. It's reusable, resists tearing, and won't rust, offering a long lifespan. If you work with wood, paints, metal, or plastics and need a durable, multi-surface finishing tool, this is a great choice. What people say. Lasts a while before breaking down and needing to throw away. Great deal for 5 large Scuff pads. Unlike steel wool, the product doesn't fall apart. I washed off the grime and hung the 1-2 sheet on the cloths like to dry and use again. Made these a great way to remove pencil marks, overspray, etc. without scratching hard surfaces underneath it, and can be rinsed and reused until you've worn it down to a nub. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.